it's Angel here, and this is my first ever vlog, and I wanted to give you a little bit of an apartment tour. I just finished my first semester of senior year at Southeastern University in Lakeland, Florida, and I moved to Georgia to do a little bit of a news internship. So let's get the tour started. Come on. So as you walk in, we have this closet, which, let me show you. This is the biggest closet ever, at least to me. I'm still trying to move in here. I brought everything in last night. So I have like some waters, Sprites, paper towels, all that you need. Here are all my clothes. So I have my dresses, my shirts, my skirts, my jackets, jeans and whatnot, and a bunch of shoes here. And then the apartment actually gave me some sheets and all, but I already brought my own. And yeah, just it holds my suitcase and everything. I'm telling you what, guys, literally my closet goes from probably like right here to the wall, and it's just about this width. So yeah, here's the first part. If you come right next to it, we have the bathroom. Ta-da! So here we have just your basic skincare, toothbrush, lotion, hand sanitizers, hand soap. These drawers are super cool, watch. If I wanted to try to slam them, boom, they don't even. So in here I just have my like basics, cotton balls, face wash, deodorant, toothpaste, oh, Band-Aids because I'm very clumsy. And then here we have just some basic hair needs, and shower's pretty spacious. Ta-da! I guess that's all to show. So if we go out of here, let me show you the little kitchen area. So the apartment came fully furnished. All I had to do was basically move any food stuff, all my clothes type of thing. So it's not very organized yet. I've been trying to just figure out what I need. So I have like Sprites, waters, leftovers, fruit. These are for my strawberries. And strawberries are literally my favorite ever. I don't know why these are in here, but we're just gonna leave them. And then I have some pastas. All the stuff I got from Sam's, like fruit snacks, chips. I bought this cute little Georgia bag, super cute tote, and for whatever my needs are. I still have a bunch of fruits, syrups. I had a toaster when I had a toaster when I got in here. All this is the apartment, all this. Don't mind me prep containers, which I'm super excited about. And then I did not know, but I had a little disposal thing, so that's pretty cool. They already had plates, bowls, cups, all that. And they're literally the same. Can't slam any cabinets in here. Here's some of just my food items, but you can see the glasses and whatnot. I'm glad it doesn't go up any farther. I'm not even gonna try to reach that, so my little 5-foot self. Oh, okay, well that's empty. And it also came with some cooking things. Oh, trash bags, my mom got this. I brought a bunch of cleaning supplies. I have a dishwasher, stove, whatnot. I think, oh yeah, here's some silverware utensils, pots, bowls, pans. So that pretty much covers the kitchen area. So here's the dining room table. Has this great place for storage. I have 2 chairs. They gave me a cute little welcome gift. So I have a bag, an umbrella, these little fans. This is so cute, look. You're one of our very best residents. Gummy bears. And then we have a bunch of windows. I'm not used to windows, like at least this many. And I have the Princess Diaries on. It came with the TV. And I have this little Chester door thing. Wi-Fi password. We're not even going to see the Wi-Fi. Here's my beloved jewelry box that everyone knows about. So I have earrings, rings and things type of thing. So the first drawer just has like mentionables like socks and whatnot, undergarments. I have swim stuff, pajamas. And then the Florida girl here, I have a bunch of shorts. Shorts, whether they're shorts to go under stuff or athletic shorts or just your basic shorts. That's kind of it for there. And then look at this cute little setup here. So fun fact, These are reversible, so you can either turn it into a table or turn it into extra seating. I kind of did half and half to just get it started. And I don't really use these. I don't even know what comes in here, but, oh, well, that's kind of a nice desk type of thing. The couch is pretty comfortable. Oh. Okay, the couch is pretty comfortable, sorry. And this one, sorry. Okay, now the couch is perfect. And then we have my little mirror that I have set up here. Pretty stellar. This is a seat that was already here. It kind of swivels. I don't want to swivel it just in case. And a window, pretty cute. And now in closet number 3. Ta-da, washer and dryer. I brought my hamper from when I was a camp counselor. They already had like brooms, mops, dustpans, whatever. Brought some of this. So there's that. And for the best part of all, my bed's kind of messy, it feels like. I'm trying to get used to sleeping in this type of bed. But fun fact, this bed folds up into that wall. Pretty cool, right? So I brought these pillows, and then the apartment already had this, and then if you can tell what's my favorite color. Ta-da! It's probably orange, I don't know. And then I brought my fan. I cannot sleep without the noise of my fan. And then I brought a little lamp. Boom. And I can also plug my phone in there. And I brought this cute little desk, not desk, but a little side table. So here is the whole studio apartment. And it's actually pretty spacious. So this apartment is fairly spacious, especially for just one person. 2 people get to be spacious. I'm not sure about 3, but I want to take y'all though to go tour the pool and whatnot. So let's go. But first I'm gonna wiggle my tea. All right, so thankfully I'm on the first floor. Oh, there's Rhonda the Honda. And a big plus as well is I'm right in front of the pool and the office and whatnot. So let's go. So thankfully, my mom found this place online. I had the worst luck ever, and we toured it last weekend, and now it's Mother's Day weekend. I'm already moved in. So, oh, here's the pool. I learned that you can't go anywhere without this key. Here's a fun thing, a paw spa. Let's see here. Boom. Oh, that's so cute. All right, here we go. For all the money, we have a little s'mores grill station here. Do whatever. And over here, there are built-in grills. So if you're feeling like cooking some steak or some chicken or whatever, it's right here for you. It's heavy. Whew. And there's 2. That's a plus. Boom. Boom. We always need Coke in our life. Coke, Sprite. Dang, no root beer. So we have some cute little chairs to lay on and tan. And then, don't want to fall down here. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So obviously you can be chilling with some friends in here. And the pool goes to like 5-6 feet, so that's pretty good. Boom. And there's also some patio seating out here in case you want to tan under the shade. And there is also more seating all around here. So that's pretty dope. Oh, you know I'll be going to the pool very soon. All right, let's check these mailbox. Oh, so I always forget that you have to push this. Ugh. Dang, let me try this again. Okay, here we go. Okay. Boom. Make sure that, okay. And so around the corner, you have the mailboxes. So if I want to order any packages between the next 2 months, I leave at the end of June. It's here, where's my I'm gonna put this down so you can't see. I doubt I'll have any mail, but we'll see. Oh, I do have. We'll come back for that for sure. So one thing I'm trying to find is the gym. I know they have a little bit of a workout room, so let's see if maybe this could be it. I did find it. So there are restrooms, and I think this is the lobby, but you can kind of chill in there. Aha, I did find the fitness room. I hope nobody's in here. That would be super embarrassing of me to come in here. Let's go in and see. So I found the fitness room. Wow, this is crazy. I think I could like turn the light on too. Oh, okay. Wow. So, there's the, okay, so then, all right, that makes sense. Some treadmills, some ellipticals. Huh, I'm glad I found it. Well, future me, I found the gym. I think I might hit the treadmill for a sec. All right, so, now that I found the gym, I'm actually excited that I found it. Let's get out of here. The pool is so tempting. All right, well, I guess that's the end of the tour. I found the pool, the gym, and you guys got to see everything. I'm ending this video now, and I forgot to film an outro. Silly me. So I guess that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to hopefully see a little sneak peek of the studio that I'll be working at. All right, bye. I miss you, Florida. Mwah.